Puffin Produce is a kind of farmer-owned business that's developed over the last 20 years from just selling the Pembrokeshire early potato to now doing 52-week supply to most of the major multiples in Wales, really. So we've got very loyal Welsh consumers in Wales. They're very keen to buy Welsh fresh produce. So the supermarkets are coming to us now almost to look for Welsh produce. So hence we've had a very big grant award now for an £8.4 million project, 50% funded by the Welsh Assembly, to double the infrastructure of the company and to increase the efficiency of their lines and give us a lot more capacity to supply that market demand that's there. We currently pack about 28,000 tonnes of potatoes a year, which is 3 or 4 Arctic loads a day, if you want to put it in those terms. We currently do all of the potatoes that you see in Asda, or 90% of the potatoes you see in Asda. If you go into any Welsh Asda, all the different types of potatoes on the shelves with the Welsh flag on the bag come from this site. And then we have our own brand, Blasatir brand, that we've got 6 lines listed in Waitrose, and we also do some early potatoes into M&S. People are looking for provenance of their food. They trust Welsh food. They like to support the local economy. So we're right in the right place, really, and we've got farmers here that own the business in Pembrokeshire. We've got good land here, good climate, and we're starting to supply the produce that the Welsh consumers eat, really.